Hey Queens, it's DLove's 50+ Life. Come along with me and celebrate my birthday in this part 2 episode of episode 12.
Heal your body, mind, and soul. From the inside to the outside. Heal your body, mind, and soul. From the inside to the outside.
Hey ladies, so yes, I am ready. This is a Saturday and I get the chance to celebrate my birthday with my sons. As you can see, that's my oldest son in the background. His name, well, I won't tell you his name, but that is my son. I am venturing out and trying to do my hair in different ways, so it's different. We're headed to a special place, y'all. A restaurant that we haven't been to
One thing about the
before,
highway now,
so
them
all three of us
18
is
wheelers
going
be
to
driving
enjoy
in
this
the
restaurant.
fast
So
lanes now.
follow along with me.
They not
Right now we're
supposed to,
in Atlanta's traffic,
but they do it
on
anyway.
a Saturday, and the day is so beautiful.
Oh, that
The
gets on my
sky
nerves.
is sky blue and the traffic is heavy as normal, but yet and still we're gonna
Let me
enjoy
stop
this
talking. I
day.
forgot you was
Come along
videoing.
with us. There won't be a whole lot of me talking or any music in this video. I want you guys to enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you for watching. This thing done got, it's not really. Look at that. It's weak. I'm gonna have to get another one.
You gotta get another one?
Another tripod, because it's go home and spoof that.
With 3 people? So it's good.
You take your name? Okay. We're here, y'all, and it is packed. See that? They got the little section of fried food. Cuisine. This place look like Las Vegas. It look like Las Vegas, don't it? Number 33. She on section
She on number 90 something. But we don't know what section this is. She said, "Oh, you can eat." It's all cuisine. You're at the right spot, huh? Where you get all that fried shrimp from? At the okay. Give me some green beans. You get ready to put some more beans out? Yeah, this is what I need right here. Yup. Oh, this is calamari. Ooh, that's hot. Need some calamari. Yeah. Love the shrimp, y'all. How's the food? You taste it yet?
No, that shit hot. It's hot. The handle's hot.
Yeah, they are. I touched one that was hot too.
Sheesh. I'm not about to burn myself.
I'm gonna try one of these. I don't know what this is, but
Sesame balls.
this right here.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, okay. Woo, Lord. Yeah, that's hot. Now I need some gloves. Candles are hot.
Cái này mất cam hay gì?
Uh-oh, excuse me. You go up there, be careful because some of those candles are hot. Some of the serving handles.
black pepper chicken pretty good.
What's that?
Black pepper chicken. It's a, I think it's avocado and tuna.
Teriyaki and barbecue.
That's green.
That's what
Oyster, squid, seafood.
well, they done broke up all the salmon, huh? My omega-3s in.
Yeah, that's what I saved that picture.
What picture?
That picture, like if I'm craving like junk food, it's showing like the healthy stuff
Stuff
that I
you
need.
supposed to eat.
I'm supposed to eat. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That pork ribs. That pork.
Oh, looks like
So they out of what you waiting for, huh?
I'm waiting on the line.
Oh, okay. So I think I'll wait too. I'd rather eat that. So guys, this place got everything. All the fruits. I'm gonna go on around here. Uh-oh, excuse me. Pepper tuna, white tuna. I don't know. Whatever I got on my plate is just, it's probably too spicy for me.
it's a sushi.
One of those sushis. Whew.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday from worldwide. Happy birthday to you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Birthday to you.
Might be the store on.
Uh-huh. Let go, let go.
Everybody wanted the lamb chop too. Them lamb chop.
Yeah. Ooh, something smells real good.
Saturday? That's my. Okay, I'm gonna be at the concert.
Oh, well.
That's her birthday. Sunday? Yeah, I said that's my birthday.